So this is a perfect time to focus on our health, to invest in our health. So I'm gonna start bringing you guys home workouts every single week, as many as I can. And on April 5th, we're starting our 30-day home workout challenge, bodyweight only. So click the link anywhere here or anywhere up here and join right now. It's only $1 and it's 30 days, follow along workouts to get everything you need. Hey guys, Funk Roberts here with my beautiful wife, Angela Roberts. And today we've got another home CrossFit workout for you. Body weight only, but this time we're focusing on the lower body because everyone wants the upper body, you know, the chest, the biceps, the abs. But guys, ladies and gentlemen, we gotta work the lower body. So today we're gonna use the AMRAP protocol, as many rounds as possible. I'm laughing, I'm giggling because this is gonna be tough. I'm not gonna lie to you. Angela and I are doing this with you right now. We're gonna do 4 exercises. Each exercise, we're doing 10 reps each, one after the other. All lower body exercises, 10 reps each, and we're gonna keep going for 8 minutes. We're gonna try to get as many rounds as we can. So 1 round equals doing 10 reps of each exercise once. That's 1 round. So you're gonna try to do as many rounds as possible. Again, we're going legs, lower body, so go at your own pace. We're gonna start together, okay? And I've got the timer. It's gonna be 8 minutes. The 4 exercises are reverse lunge, jump squats, air squats, and jumping jacks. So let's get you ready. We're gonna just follow us along and we're gonna try to do our best. No, we are gonna do our best. Reverse lunge, 10 reps, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, here we go. So hopefully you have already warmed up. So this is 5 a side, okay? We're gonna step back, use that front leg to push off. Make sure your body's tall. That's 10, okay. Now we're doing jump squats. Down, good. And again, your hands can be anywhere they want. 8, 9, good. 10, good work. Now we're gonna do air squats. Ready? Oh, 1, 2. Again, heels on the ground when you're doing squats. Make sure your knees are pointed out. Exhale, make sure you're breathing. 10, and then jumping jacks. Oh, 1, 2. Nice and tall. Make sure you're jumping at balls of your feet. There you go. So that's 4. That's 1 round. Let's go now back to the first round. Here we go. Reverse lunge. So with this reverse lunge, you want to make sure your core's tight. Body's tall. Breathing. 8, 9, core tight. 10, good. Oh, jump squats. These are the ones that kill me the most. Explosive. Not even plyometric, just explosive. Keep those knees pointed out. Oh yeah, that one hurt. If you have a lot of muscle in your lower body, I got big quads, you're gonna feel this. Okay. 3. Try to go as deep as you can, heels in the ground, blast up through the heels. Oh man, the burn. 3, 4. And just to compound the craziness of this one, you add jumping jacks to the end. What are you, crazy? All right, here we go. So again, lower body. So, and the way we're doing this, metabolic, right? One after the other. We're going as many reps as we can, as many rounds as we can. But man, tomorrow, you're gonna feel this. Actually, I'm gonna feel this tomorrow. Good. The jump squats, man. And again, take your time, right? We do wanna make sure that we're getting quality rounds, right? Soft landings, exactly. So if you're starting to land too heavy, then you're gonna put too much force on your toes, on your knees. 3, 4, 5, 6, good. So you can break them up like that, just doing however you break them up. Just get it done. Air squats. Boom. Ooh. 3, 4. Nice and deep. Ass to grass. 8, 9. Yeah. I want to cry. I think I just dribbled all over myself. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Balls to your feet. 8, 9. Good. All right, 4 minutes left, 4.5 minutes left. Reverse lunge. Remember, core's got to be tight. As we get tired, as our legs fatigue, we have to focus even more on good technique, right? Step back, keep that knee pointed out, push off with that front knee. Do not drag your feet. I don't even know how much I am doing right now, but it's gonna keep going. Good. The jump squats. You want a lot of power too. If you're a fighter doing this workout, power, right? Get as high as you can, but land softly. 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Oh, probably shouldn't have done that. Probably shouldn't have gone unbroken with that one. But if you rest a little bit, you know, get the blood flowing through. Again, these are the workouts that aren't the sexiest, you know, but the ones we have to get done. 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. You're a killer, right? 3, 4. Balls to your feet. And just get it done, you know? It's kind of like you get to the point where you're just moving, you're not even thinking about it. You're just going through the motions. But guys, just think about this. Core, keep your core tight throughout every exercise, because that's gonna help you keep that cardio going, you know? Have that strength, have that energy. The tighter your core, the stronger your core, the more power you're gonna have, the less fatigue you're gonna have, you're gonna have better form, and of course, less injuries. The injuries start when you let, you know, the pelvic floor go and your core starts to get weak. Lower back takes injuries, knees, everything else. What am I doing? Jump squats? No, what am I doing? Jump squats, yeah, okay. Wow. 2, 3. Believe me, I wasn't trying to get out of it. Yes, I was. 7, 8, 9, 10. I find that if I rest a little bit before, you know, the exercise, let the blood get in there, I get better quality, right? Well, I know what I was about to say. Think about this. As you're doing all these workouts at home, quarantined, or just like, you know, no work, do this for 30 days. Guess what's gonna happen when you come into work 30 days later or 60 days later? You're gonna look amazing. Lose weight, people aren't even gonna recognize you because all you've been doing is focusing on your health, your workouts, your nutrition, working out with a Funkster and Mrs. Funkster. You're gonna transform your body. People aren't even gonna recognize you. Be like, what the hell happened to you during this time at home? I was getting jacked. That's what's going on. Ooh, that knee. Ooh, yeah. That knee. Ooh. Here we go, jump squats. Let's get these done. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3. 3 more, here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 3, 4. 8. Keep going. If you're in the middle of your round, finish up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10. There you go, guys. We're done. How do you turn this off? That's what I want to know. All right. Great job. Awesome work. Guys, it's very important. What I'm going to tell you right now, thank you for working out with us, but now you want to stretch these legs, okay? Go into my YouTube, Funk Roberts post-workout stretch. Use that stretch. Okay, it's a little old, but the exercises are still effective. You're gonna love it because you're gonna stretch out your lower body. You're gonna make sure that tomorrow and the next day, your legs aren't as destroyed as they're gonna be. Hey guys, Funk Roberts here, and thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure that you like it, you share this, leave your comments below because you know I love to read your comments. And of course, subscribe to this channel, click on the notifications so you do not miss another workout. And if you like that workout, then click the link in this box right here and I'll send you to another workout. Thank you so much, I love you, and I'll see you in the next workout. Get it done.